Hey, Stacy, Brian. Just wanted to show you another new option we have here. Well, I've seen this before, but I just started playing around with it this morning. It took about 5 minutes to figure out. So this website here, Screencast-O-Matic, basically this allows you to record your computer screen, and then immediately you can upload it to YouTube from this website. Super easy to do. So I'm thinking I might actually do this now for my students, before Monday morning, like do a screencast like this, or record myself like I'm on here. It's the website again. It's just this screencastomatic.com. But basically, I was thinking I'll take them onto my Schoology page, go to my global hour or whatever, and kind of walk them through like what they're going to do that week. And it's cool because when I'm looking at it, I don't see like the circle around my mouse, but apparently when you post it, it does. But I can then show them like everything that they need to do and where to submit stuff, and just basically walk them through. You can go to anything, anything on your screen, obviously, will be recorded on here. And then when you're done, you just literally stop the video, and there's an option to upload it right to YouTube. So I'm thinking I will do this. I will upload them to YouTube. And then when I have my Monday conference or office hours or whatever, it can just be like, all right, did you watch the video? Do you have any questions about what you got to do this week? If not, all right, good luck. Keep in touch. So anyhow, made this quick one as a test to show you guys. Talk to you later.